If you want to enhance your security on Zelle by removing old devices, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you manage your devices effectively. Step 1. Open the Zelle app. Launch the Zelle app on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Access settings. Look for the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Tap on it to enter the settings menu where you can manage your account preferences. Step 3. Navigate to security settings. Within the settings menu, find the section labeled security or security settings. This is where you can view and manage the devices linked to your account. Step 4. Review connected devices. In the security settings, you should see a list of devices that are currently connected to your Zelle account. Take a moment to review this list and identify any old or unused devices. Step 5. Remove old devices. Select the old device you wish to remove and follow the prompts to delete it from your account. Confirm the removal if prompted and ensure that the device is no longer listed in your connected devices. By following these steps, you can easily remove old devices from your Zelle security settings, helping to keep your account secure. Regularly managing your devices is a good practice for maintaining your online security.